Were you surprised? Because at least I was surprised to see that Ding Liren and Ian Nepomniachtchi went there to play right after championship, such a difficult championship. I don't know, would you have considered doing something like that?
Yes, we will be tired, but on the other hand, we will be well prepared. And there's a week to recover. So, and if I lose, then it's a way of consoling myself. And so you have these justifications. With hindsight, it looks like a bad decision because this match took too much energy of them, but maybe they couldn't predict it themselves. And I remember once Karpov said this. He said he played a tournament immediately after losing the World Championship to Gary. And he said that after finishing the tournament, he felt like the bad memories of the match were very far behind. Whereas if you don't play something else, this memory is there with you for much longer. So probably they have forgotten both the match and maybe Ding is not happy with forgetting the match, but Nepo is for sure happy with forgetting the match.
Yeah, he replaced some of the bad memories with some other bad memories.
That is true. It wasn't supposed to go that badly. I mean, if they had had a decent result, they would have still felt, okay, I can move on to something.